Hello students, today in this session I am going to explain chapter 12 from class 9 textbook, that is Heron's formula. Before starting the sum, let me discuss the areas of different plane figures. Here I have drawn one triangle. This is the base and this is the height. Height means always it is 90 degree. Then area of a triangle will be half into base into height. Now suppose triangle is obtuse angle triangle, that means one of the angle is more than 90 degree. Now for this triangle, this is the base, starting from this up to this much, this is the base, but height will be always 90 degree, so this is height. In that case also area will be half into base into height. In case of equilateral triangles are those triangles where all the sides are equal. Here suppose each side be A, then area of the triangle will be root 3 by 4 into A square, and height, if I draw one perpendicular from this vertex to the base, then this height will be root over 3 A by 2. In case of a rectangle, this is length, this is breadth. We know a plane figure where opposite sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree, those figures are called rectangle. Area will be length into breadth. In case of a parallelogram where opposite sides are parallel, area will be base into height. In case of a right angle triangle, we can consider this one to be the base and this one will be height, because this angle is 90 degree. Then area of this triangle will be half into this base, that is BC, into AB, which is height. So area of right angle triangle half into base into height. Now I will discuss Heron's formula. Let ABC be a triangle whose all the sides are known. Suppose this side is A, this side is B and this side is C. Here height is not known. So we cannot use half into base into height. So in that situation we have to use Heron's formula to find the area. Here first of all we have to calculate the semi-perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all the sides A plus B plus C. So semi-perimeter will be perimeter divided by 2. Here perimeter will be A plus B plus C. If this perimeter is divided by 2, then we are going to get S, which is semi-perimeter. And to find the area of the triangle, we have to use this formula. Area of the triangle will be root over S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is the semi-perimeter and A, B, C are three sides of the triangle. In case of isosceles triangle, here A, B, C is an isosceles triangle where these two sides are equal and each side be X, and here base we can consider A. If I draw one perpendicular, then it will bisect the base. So this part will be A by 2, this part will be A by 2. Now we know area of a triangle is half into base into height, but here height is not known. So if I apply Pythagoras theorem in this part or this part, here it will be x square equal to h square plus a by 2 whole square. Here x is the hypotenuse, so x square will be h square plus a by 2 whole square. So x square minus a by 2 whole square will be height square. So h will be root over x square minus a by 2 whole square equals to 8. So we got height of the triangle is root over x square minus a by 2 whole square. Therefore area of the triangle will be half into base into height. Half, here base is A, so we have written half into A into height. Instead of height we can write root over x square minus a by 2 whole square. So this formula also can be used to calculate area of an isosceles triangle. Suppose ABCD is a rhombus and here AC is one diagonal, let it be diagonal 1, and BD is another diagonal, let it be diagonal 2. And we know rhombus is a parallelogram where all the sides are equal. If you want to find the area of a rhombus, then area will be half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, where diagonal 1 we can consider AC and diagonal 2 will be BD. I hope these formulas are clear. Now I am going to start sums of 12A. In 12A, first question is find the area of the triangle, the length of whose sides are 18 cm, 24 cm and 30 cm. We can consider one triangle. We can consider let small a equal to 18 cm, small b equal to 24 cm and small c equal to 30 cm. In this sum, three sides are given but height is not given. So we have to use Heron's formula to find the area. For Heron's formula, we need semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter S will be perimeter by 2. We know perimeter is sum of all the sides. So it will be A plus B plus C divided by 2. Here A is 18, B is 24, C is 30. If I add these 3, it will be 72. 72 divided by 2, it will give 36 centimeter. Therefore, semi-perimeter of the triangle is 36 centimeter. Now we have to use Heron's formula. In Heron's formula is root over S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Here S is 36, A is 18, B is 24 and C is 30. So it will be 36 into 36 minus 18, 36 minus 24 into 36 minus 30. 36 into 36 minus 18 will be 18 into 36 minus 24 it will be 12 into 36 minus 30 it will be 6. Now 36 is 6 square. This 18 we can prime factorize like this. With 2 it will be 9. Again 9 can be divided by 3. 3 3 is 9. So we can write 3 square into 2. So instead of 18 we are writing 3 square into 2. Similarly for 12 if we prime factorize, with 2 it will be 6, with 2 it will be 3. So instead of 12 we can write 2 square into 3. So instead of 12 we have written 2 square into 3, and this 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Now we will try to express this one in form of squares. So 6 square will remain as it is. This 3 square also will remain as it is. These 2 and these 2 can be written in the form of 2 square into 2 square. This 3 and this 3 also can be written in the form of square. Always try to write in form of square. Now these squares and root will cancel each other. So we are left with 6 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now 3 6 is 18, 18 to the 36, 36 to the 72 into 3. If you multiply it will give 216 centimeter square. Therefore area of the triangle is 216 centimeter square, which is the required answer. In question number 2 it is given, find the area of the triangle whose sides are 120 centimeter, 150 centimeter and 200 centimeter. Here we can consider let A be 120 centimeter, B be 150 centimeter and C is 200 centimeter. And since height is not given, so we have to use Heron's formula. And for Heron's formula we have to first calculate semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means perimeter divided by 2. Here perimeter will be sum of 3 sides divided by 2. So 120 plus 150 plus 200 divided by 2. After adding it will be 470 by 2. So it will be 235 centimeter. Now using Heron's formula, area of the triangle will be root over S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S we got 235. S minus A 235 minus 120 because A we have considered 120. 235 minus 150 where 150 we have considered B, and 235 minus 200 which is C. Now 235 minus 120 it will be 115. 235 minus 150 it will give 85, and 235 minus 200 will give 35. Now 235 can be written as 5 into 47. 115 can be written as 5 into 23. 85 can be written as 5 into 17, and 35 can be written as 7 into 5. So here 5 into 5 5 square, 5 into 5 5 square, 47 into 23 into 7 into 17. If you multiply, because these are not in the form of pair, so if I multiply I am going to get 128,639. So root and square will cancel. So this 5 and 5 will be outside the root, and we are left with root over 128,639. Now we have to calculate the square root of 128,639. For this, first to make pair from this side, one pair, second pair and third pair. In the first pair we got 12, second pair 86, third pair 39. Now we have to take square number 1 1 ja or 2 2 ja or 3 3 ja like this. Now here it is 12 and we know 3 3 ja 9. We cannot take 3 4 ja, we have to take the same number. So 3 3 ja 9. 12 minus 9 will give 3. Now 86 will come here, so it will be 386. Double of 3 will be 6. 65 into 5 will give 325. If you subtract, it will be 61. Now 39 will come here. Now if you take the double of 35, it will be 70. Now 708 into 8 will be 5664. If you subtract, it will be 475. Now we have to take decimal and we have to place 2 zeros. Now double of 358 will be 716. Again if we multiply by 6, that is 7166 multiplied by 6, it will give 42996. If you subtract, you are going to get 4504. Again, we have to take 2 zeros. Again, if you take a double of 3586, it will be 7172. Now 71726 into 6 will give 430356. In this way, we have to calculate after decimal at least 3 points. So we got square root of 128639 as 358.662. Now if you multiply 5 5 is 25 into square root of this, we got 358.662. After multiplying, we are going to get 8966.55 centimeter square. In question number 3, it is given the base of a right angle triangle is 48 centimeter and its hypotenuse is 50 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. So in this sum, hypotenuse is 50 centimeter. I hope all of you know the side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. Since this is 90 degrees, so this will be the hypotenuse. It is 50 centimeter and it is given base is 48 centimeter. Here height is not known. So if we apply Pythagoras theorem here, it will be AC square will be AB square plus BC square, because without knowing AB we cannot find the area of the triangle, and we know area of the triangle is half into base into height, so height must be calculated. That is why we are using Pythagoras theorem. So if I apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, it will be AC square is AB square plus BC square. Now AC we know it is 50, AB square is not given, and BC is 48. So 50 square minus 48 square will be AB square. It will be A square minus B square. We can use the formula A plus B into A minus B equal to AB square. 50 plus 48 is 98. 50 minus 48 is 2. So 98 into 2 is AB square. If you multiply, it will be 196 is AB square. So AB equal to root over 196, which will give 14. So height of the triangle is 14. Now if you want to calculate the area, we have to use the formula half into base into height. Half base given in the question 48 and height we got 14. 14 can be cancelled by 2, it will be 7, and 48 into 7 will be 336. 336 centimeter square is the area of the given right angle triangle. In question number 4, it is given find the area of a triangle whose sides are 91 centimeter, 96 centimeter and 105 centimeter. Find the height corresponding to the greatest side. Here A is 91 centimeter, B is 96 centimeter and C is 105 centimeter. Here semi-perimeter S will be perimeter by 2. Perimeter is sum of all the sides. So A plus B plus C divided by 2 will be 91 plus 96 plus 105 divided by 2. On adding, it will be 292 by 2, which will give 146 centimeter. Now from Heron's formula we know area of the triangle is root over S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S we got 146. So it will be 146 into 146 minus 91, 146 minus 96 and 146 minus 105. 146 minus 91 will be 55 into 146 minus 96 will be 50 and 146 minus 105 will be 41. Now if we prime factorize, 146 can be written as 2 into 73, 55 can be written as 5 into 11, 50 can be written as 2 into 5 square, 5 square is 25 into 250, and 41 is a prime number which cannot be further prime factorized. 2 into 2, 2 square, this 5 square we can write, and we are left with 73 into 5 into 11 into 41. This 2 and 5 can be written outside the square root, so it will be 2 into 5 root over 73 into 5 into 11 into 41. Now 5 2s are 10, root over 73 into 5 into 11 into 41, it will give 164615. Now in the screen you can see the square root of this value, and after taking square root it will give 405.728. After multiplying we got 4057.28 centimeter square, which is the area of the triangle. Now in the second part of the question it is given find the height corresponding to the greatest side of the triangle. In this triangle greatest side is 105 and suppose height is h. Already we got area of the triangle is 4057.28. So area of the triangle will be half into base is 105 into height equals to 4057.28. So height will be 4057.28 into 2 divided by 105. If you multiply this 2 and divide by 105, you are going to get 77.28 centimeter. Therefore, area of the triangle is 4057.28 centimeter square and height corresponding to the longest side will be 77.28 centimeter. In question number 5, it is given, find the area of an isosceles triangle, each of whose equal sides measure 13 centimeter and whose base measures 20 centimeter. Suppose this is the triangle, these two sides are 13 centimeter and this base is 20 centimeter. This particular sum can be solved in two ways, one by using area of isosceles triangle or by using Heron's formula. I am showing it by using Heron's formula. Here we can consider A to be 13 centimeter, B to be 13 centimeter and C to be 20 centimeter. So here A and B both 13 and C is 20. Since we are using Heron's formula, we need semi-perimeter, and we know semi-perimeter is perimeter divided by 2, and here perimeter will be A plus B plus C divided by 2. 13 plus 13, 26 plus 20, 46 by 2, which will give 23 centimeter. From Heron's formula, we know area of triangle is root over S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Here S we got 23, so 23 into 23 minus 13, 23 minus 13 into 23 minus 20, so 23 minus 13 will be 10, here also 10 and here it will be 3, so it will be 10 square into 23 into 3 will be 69. Since it is 10 square, so we can write 10 outside the square root, so it will be 10 into root over 69, and root over 69 is 8.306. If you multiply, it will be 83.06. Therefore, required area of the triangle is 83.06 centimeters square. Question number 6. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of its equal side is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. We can consider this side to be 12, this side also 12, and third side is not known. Now, since perimeter is 30, we can write A plus B plus C equal to 30. A is 12, B is also 12, but C is not known. So we can write 12 plus C equals to 30. So C will be 30 minus 12 plus 12, 24. So C will be 30 minus 24. That means 6 centimeter. So we got all the sides. Now we have to find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is half of perimeter. Perimeter is 30. So 30 by 2, it will give 15 centimeter. Now from Heron's formula, area of triangle is root over S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S we got 15. Then S minus A, 15 minus 12. S minus B, 15 minus 12. S minus C, 15 minus 6. Because 12, 12 and 6 are the three sides of the triangle. Now 15 minus 12, 3. 15 minus 12, 3. 15 minus 6, 9. So 15 into 3, 3 is 9. 9. So 9 into 9, we can write 15 into 9 square. This 9 can be written outside. So it will be 9 root over 15. Therefore, area of the triangle is 9 root over 15 centimeter square. Question number 7. The base of an isosceles triangle measures 80 centimeter and its area is 360 centimeter square. Find the perimeter of the triangle. So here ABC is the triangle where one side is given 80 centimeter. These two sides are not given. Here these two equal sides are x centimeter and this base, which we consider A, is 80 centimeter. We know area of the isosceles triangle formula is half into A into root over x square minus A by 2 whole square, and in the question it is given that area of the triangle is 360 centimeter square. Now half into A in the question it is given 80 into root over x square minus A in the question it is given 80, so it will be 80 by 2 whole square equal to 360. Now 80 divided by 2 will give 40 into root over x square minus 80 by 2 is 40, 40 square equal to 360. So root over x square minus 40 square will be 360 divided by 40. So root over x square minus 40 square equals to 360 by 40, it will give 9. Now if you square both sides, then it will become x square minus 40 square is 1600 equals to 9 square will be 81. So x square equals to 81 plus 1600. After adding it will be 1681. You just make pair like this. Now 4 ja 16. Double of 4 is 8. Here it will be 81. Now 81 1 ja 81. That means square root of 1681 is 41. So x will be root over, instead of 1681 we can write 41 square. So x will be 41 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the perimeter of the triangle ABC. Already we know that two sides we have considered x. This is x, this is x, this is a. X we got 41. So 2 into 41 and base already given in the question 80. 41 to the 82 plus 80 which will give 162 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of the given triangle is 162 centimeter. Question number 8, first part. If the area of an equilateral triangle is 36 root 3 centimeter square, find its perimeter. Here, this is the triangle. Here we can consider each side to be A. Now, in the question it is given area of equilateral triangle is 36 root 3. And we know area of equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 into side square equal to 36 root 3. So s square will be 36 root 3 into this 4 will be in the numerator and root 3 will be in the denominator. Root 3 and root 3 can be cancelled. So we are left with s square equals to 36 into 4 which will give 144. So a will be root over 144 which is 12. Therefore, each side of the triangle is 12 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the perimeter of the triangle. And we know perimeter of the triangle is 3 times side. Here 3 into each side is 12. So 3 into 12, 36. Therefore, perimeter of the equilateral triangle is 36 centimeter. Second part of question number 8. It is given if the area of an equilateral triangle is 8 root 3 centimeter square, find its height. In the question it is given that area of the equilateral triangle is 8 root 3 centimeter square, and we know area of equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 s square is 8 root 3. So s square will be 8 root 3 into this 4 will be in the numerator, root 3 will be in the denominator. This root 3 and this root 3 can be cancelled. So s square will be 4 is the 32. 32 can be written as 4 square into 2. So a will be 4 root 2 centimeter. So each side is 4 root over 2 centimeter. Now again it is given that we have to calculate the height of the triangle, and height of the equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 2 into a. So it will be root 3 by 2 into a is 4 root 2. 4 and 2 can be cancelled. So it will be 2. So 2 root 3 into root 2 is root over 6. Therefore 2 root 6 centimeter is the height of the equilateral triangle. Question number 9. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 600 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Since it is given in the form of ratio, we can consider let the sides be 3x, 5x and 7x where x is the common ratio. As given in the question, perimeter is 600 centimeter. So perimeter will be sum of three sides, 3x plus 5x plus 7x is 600 centimeter. After adding these 3, it will be 15x is 600. So x will be 600 by 15 which will give 40. Therefore x equal to 40. So a will be 3x, 3 into 40, it will be 120. B is, we have considered 5x. So 5 into 40, it will be 200 centimeter. And C we have considered 7x, 7 into 40 which will give 280 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is the half of perimeter, that is perimeter by 2. Perimeter is 600, 600 by 2, 300 centimeter. Now from Heron's formula we know area of triangle is root over S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S we got 300, so it will be 300 into 300 minus 120, 300 minus 200 and 300 minus 280. So 300 into 300 minus 120, 180, 300 minus 200, 100 and 300 minus 280 will be 20. Now 300 can be written as 3 into 100, 180 into 20, it will give 3600 into 100. Now 100 into 100 can be written as 100 square. 3600 is the square of 60, so we can write 60 square. So this 160 can be written outside the square root, so it will be 100 into 60 root over 3 and 100 into 60 6000 root over 3 centimeter square is the area of the required triangle. Question number 10, which is the last sum from 12a. The question is the height of an equilateral triangle measures 9 centimeter. Find its area, and here we have to take root 3 equals to 1.732. Suppose this is the equilateral triangle and it is given that its height is 9 centimeter. So let each side of the triangle we have considered A, and height here is 9 centimeter. We know height of an equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 2 into A is 9. So A will be 9 into 2 divided by root 3. 9 to the 18 by root 3. If we rationalize, we have to multiply by root 3 both numerator and denominator. So A will be 18 root 3 and root 3 into root 3 will be 3. 3 is 6 ja 18. So A will be 6 root over 3. So we got each side to be 6 root 3 centimeter. Area of the equilateral triangle formula is root 3 square by 4. So root 3 by 4, A we got 6 root 3. So it will be 6 root 3 whole square. So root 3 by 4, 6 square is 36. Root 3 square is 3. If I cancel 36 by 4, it will be 9. And 3 9 get 27. So we got 27 root over 3. So 27 into root over 3 is 1.732 as given in the question. If you multiply, it will be 46.764. If you round off, then it will be 46.76 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the equilateral triangle is 46.76 centimeter square, which is the required answer. As this is the last sum from 12A. So that's all for today. In the next video, I am going to start sums of 12B.